Ooh.
Hey guys!
We're back.
Hey guys!
We're back.
After like an 18-month hiatus. Haha. And today we're here with our mom! Kaylee, tell them.
So, today we are doing a video inspired by the Sternilio twins.
Triplets?
Triplets.
Oh! Matt, Chris, and Nick.
The video we're doing is who can chug a can of pop the, not quickest, but who can chug it without burping.
Burping. The no burp challenge. And because my mom is special and has to drink through a straw, everyone gets a straw.
We're not doing straws.
Yes,
you
we are.
not? Says who?
Little AMR.
Okay. She's a bubby because she's not drinking Pepsi.
I can't. It makes my teeth all like.
This is Dookie that you have to drink. Don't
Don't
start
start it.
yet.
Ah! Cheater!
I didn't. She didn't drink it.
Cheater! What? I'm a what for not drinking Pepsi?
You're a bubby.
I do not like.
The blue cola. Stop it! Stop it!
Okay, ready? 3, 2. Kaylee's Chris over here chugging pop on the daily.
Oh, I still want to belch so bad.
Before we get more into this is not who can chug the fastest.
Ow! Why does it hurt? Ah!
Guys, welcome to my room. I almost burp. If I laugh, I'm gonna burp.
I don't know if I can do this. I don't know how they drink
Hey, Kaylee.
those fat bottles. Oh my god! I remember I drank a can and a half a can before this.
Kaylee. Tastes like TV static.
Okay, I can't. I'm gonna like literally, yeah.
You lose.
I don't care. My stomach hurts so bad.
I feel like a pop can.
What you do? I'm not just over here. You didn't drink nothing.
You only smell his Pepsi burps.
It hurts so bad. How have you guys not burp yet? I literally feel like I'm gonna yak or poop my pants.
Don't hit me. You're gonna make me burp.
Ow!
I'm gonna end up
I feel like I
choking.
haven't pooped in a week.
Chris, Nick, Matt. I'm struggling
There's-
the most.
She's trying so hard not to burp. I feel like I have more in me, but give me the pop. I need to get the rest. No, my stomach hurts.
Wait.
now.
Oh.
Hold on, don't do anything funny. Did anyone fart? It stinks in here.
You made me burp. Don't.
Okay, I'll give it another chance.
My stomach hurts so bad. I can't even like stop laughing.
Did you just spit a little bit like a whale?
Oh my god, I can't even drink anymore. There's so much air down
It
there.
feels so bad, doesn't it? It hurts.
Like you can sit here and it's
That's
fine,
so-
but as soon as you start drinking, it wants to
But Greek
release.
Crush isn't that bad, so she's lucky.
I almost burped out of instinct. If this was Dr. Pepper, like cold Dr. Pepper.
Oh, no, I can't drink anymore. Oh.
Please do not throw up in my room or in my laptop.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I'm like drooling out of my nose. No, my nose is
There's like a huge air bubble.
Yep.
Just stuck.
Thank you.
I'm not a
Fine, a
baby.
burp. Drink, man.
It's a straw. If I didn't have the straw,
Oh, I can feel a big burp.
I'm almost done.
I'm not.
I want to burp so bad.
I'm burped. Dang, have you burped yet? Because you're barely drinking. Stop being a...
I burped
it's
a
the
little bit
straw,
when I was
promise
laughing.
you. It's the straw.
Just chug it.
I can't with a straw.
Yes, you can.
Okay. I almost burped.
You're a bum.
You're messing with me. I chugged my... You watched me chug my orange pop today. I know. I had a big burp after that.
Oh, man.
Just burp, Mom.
Nope.
What's up there?
I don't know.
Once you start letting it out, then not.
Ooh, I felt the bubble coming from my throat. That wasn't a burp, but my thing wasn't open. It came up to there. Yes. Oh boy.
My nose is running.
Drink it for 5 seconds straight.
I can't. The straw messes me up.
I don't know how y'all be drinking a whole can. Oh, you're gonna come out now. Don't you feel like you're gonna yak?
No. That feels so good.
Stop!
All done.
Cute.
When I was laughing with this, I had pop in my mouth and I was laughing. I was trying to spit it out and a burp came up. I can't burp now. So I win.
That's all I got.
You think?
No, it's not like that.
Ew, that was wet.
It stuck when I was laughing.
Trying to get all the bubbles in.
Okay,
feel
stop
it.
making me laugh. Matt, stop making me laugh.
Do this.
Every time I get into a rhythm, it's making me laugh.
I don't have abs.
Why is it colder without the straw?
I feel so sick.
I taste colossal.
Ew. I just taste Pepsi and my stomach feels like I put Mentos and Coke in there.
Stop!
We should have. You should have drank that cola.
I have another burp stuck. When I burp when I laugh, and the liquid came up. Okay. Hi, Simon Colby.
Wet Willy.
Ew!
Got the wet nails, so kind of just had a wet nail.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, let's just end this video. Okay. That was this week's video. Sorry for taking such a long break. Shout out to the Sternilio.
Sorry if we messed it up, but
Twins.
we have newly discovered your channel and are obsessed.
Not obsessed.
Not yet.
Do you see them on these walls? I'm not obsessed.
Not yet.
But I can tell them apart.
Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.
Hold on. Okay, Chanel West Coast. Thanks for watching this week's video. We may or may not be back next on my bed. That was this week's video. We may or may not be back next week.
And remember,
we are not twins.
peace up.
A-Town. Boop boop.